Hey Van Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is LaToya Princess. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing this unit that I got from Junoda Hair, and this is a curly bob. I am excited. Well, it's actually deep wave, but you know, it gives off that kind of curly vibe, but I am so excited to have this unit because I haven't had a curly bob in about 2 years. Okay, I freaking love curly bobs. They are so convenient. Like, you don't really have to do anything but throw it on your head. I love this one in particular because it comes with an extra elastic band and you do not have to glue this unit down. This is really a glueless unit. Like, once I put it on my head, it sat. So this is the perfect unit to get if you're someone who doesn't know how to do installs. This is perfect. You literally throw it on your head and go. Okay, so stay tuned because I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. I'm going to do an install and then I will be back with my final thoughts. Okay, so this is the hair and it is from Junoda Hair and it will come in this white box. Inside the white box you will get a black satin satchel inside, and that contains everything that you are going to need for this unit. All right, so inside the satchel, of course, is a bag of goodies and the wig. So the first thing you get is this Junoda hair clip, some faux mink lashes, a Junoda silk hair tie, which is black and gold. You also will get a pamphlet containing information about the company and the hair care instructions. That's just in case you don't know, you know, things that you need to know about the hair. You'll also get a nude wig cap, an edge brush, and then the specs are on the side of the Ziploc bag that the hair is in. Once you take it out, you get a 4x4 glueless wig with adjustable straps, an elastic band, and combs on the inside of the cap. This unit is glueless, so you know you have so much security with everything that they have on the inside. Once I did the adjustable straps, that is literally all I needed. So this is what the wig looks like after being washed. As you can see, those deep waves and curls are beautiful. Okay, so then I put the unit on my head and the wig was very secure to my head. I didn't really have to do any adjusting after I did the adjustable straps. That was pretty much it. So then I decided to cut the lace off of the 4x4 closure that is in the front of the head. And as you can see, it was quick and easy. I literally just did one swipe across because it was so secure to my head. So now I took the tail comb and I decided to deepen my C part. Okay. And while I was doing that, I was like, you know what, let me take some hair out for some baby hair because I don't want to just leave it on my head like this. But that's totally up to you if you don't want to put baby hair, but I definitely wanted baby hair. So I cut the baby hair and I did some light pluck into it as well because it was a little thick. So I just took out this little piece right here on the side for the baby hair, and I also just plucked it. So yeah, you could just do it to your liking. To me, it was just a little bit thick, so I did a little bit more plucking, and then I went in and I wanted to deepen that part some more, so I just repeated that step. I cut it and then I went back in with the tweezers and just plucked some more of that baby hair because I was really going back and forth with how I wanted to do the baby hair, that I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do a swoop. So I use the Got To Be gel to kind of mold them in place. Sometimes people use, you know, the little flat iron, but I didn't really feel like I needed to do that here. So I literally just swooped it to that side, okay? So then I took the wax stick because I just felt like it's just like it looks a little puffy. I wanted it to be flatter, like where the roots start. So that's when I took the wax stick and I put it like along the hairline, like wherever wherever the parting space is. I just went along that because that's what I want to separate so that you can see the part more. So then I just took the hot comb and I hot combed it in place just for that sleekness. I stayed very close to the root, so I didn't take like the straightener too far because I didn't want to ruin the hair's natural pattern. And you know, it's deep wave, so you don't want to make it really straight. You just want to give it a little bit of sleekness at the top, and then I just fluffed it out some. And the final step literally would be just to add like the face powder to the parting space, and that's exactly what I did. And that pretty much concluded the look. Okay, so this is how my hair came out, and I'm absolutely in love. The best thing about this unit is the fact that you could throw it on your head and you do not have to sit there doing a whole bunch of you know, glue and spray. Like, this is a true glueless unit. You put it on your head and go. So this is perfect for someone who does not know how to do installs. Perfect. You literally put it on your head and go. But I did want to put some baby hairs, so I added some baby hairs here, and as you can see, I added a little jazz right there. I don't know, it was just kind of like, I was looking at it and I'm like, oh, I just want one little cute little swirl right here. So that's what I did, and I love the way it came out. I feel like the length of this bob is perfection. This unit is from Junoda Hair, and this is my first time working with this company, and I'm in love, girl. This deep wave bob is it. Okay, so again, this is deep wave. It's a 4x4 lace closure, so you already don't have to do much. It literally just sits on your head and you can walk out. And when I say this unit is secure to my head, I mean it is secure to my head. And the straps are adjustable, but I love that it comes with an extra strap on there. Like, that extra strap is everything. Like, I love a good elastic band on my unit. I normally opt for 14 inches just to have that security, but 12 inches is actually perfection. Like, I didn't have to do much. 12 inches is perfect. So what we're gonna do is do a check-in, and I'm gonna be doing that at the end of this video. It is currently 5:49 and I am leaving to go to Trader Joe's at 7 o'clock. And when I get back is when I'll do my check-in. I'll let you know what time it is and everything. But right now it is 5:49, so my hair has been in for, you know, a few minutes now, but we will see what it looks like by the end of the night, and that'll be like, you know, just my additional thoughts on the hair. But so far so good. I know for a fact that this hair is low maintenance. Even when you wash it, I use regular Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. I brushed it. It was just so soft, easy to manage. I didn't have any issues. I didn't have to use any type of like leave-in conditioner or any curl activator. Like the deep wave just pops on its own, so it is extremely low maintenance. I always tell someone, like, if you don't know what to do with hair, this is a great start. Okay, this is a great start. A bob like this, because it's like one of those units you just wet it and pretty much that's it. Like, I know it's getting a little colder, but I love wearing these type of units in this weather. All I do is I do my hair ahead of time. Like, I'll do my hair at night and just sit it on the wig stand, and then in the morning I just put it on my head and I'm out. So yeah, this is gonna be a low maintenance unit if you do decide to get it. Okay, so we'll be back with the check-in and the rest of this video a little later. Okay guys, I just got back in the house, and as you can see, it is 1:10 in the morning. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like. I went to Trader Joe's, I put the stuff up, I ate, I went outside, I had a good time, and I'm just getting back in. And this is what my hair is looking like. It didn't give me any issues the whole time I was out. Like, I literally did not have to touch my head, feel any type of way, no, nothing. Super low maintenance. It pretty much, it looks exactly how it did when I walked out the house. I'm gonna just do a little 360 so you can see what it's looking like. So, I'm gonna turn around and I'm going to lift it in the back so you can see that is no matting at all. Okay, no tangling. As you can see, the hair is nice, fluffy. It still looks exactly the same. So I didn't deal with any shedding while I was out. So everything is pretty much good in my opinion. So if I was going to give this hair an overall rating, I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10 because it is absolutely low maintenance. And the best part of this, again, is it is glueless. You literally could put this wig on your head and go because it has adjustable straps as well as a spandex strap sewn on it, and I'm like, it's so secure. I have a small head and I always get mines in like a bigger size than my head just in case you know, somebody else gets the wig after me. But girl, when I say I love this wig, I mean I love it. Low maintenance, you don't have to do nothing to get this hairstyle. Like, love this unit. So I would definitely recommend it. And again, I will have my exclusive discount link down in the bottom bar for you just in case you want to purchase this wig or check it out on the site. You could save you some coins. So that's pretty much it. So this hair again is from Junoda Hair, and I would definitely recommend it. 10 out of 10. Love this unit. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Let's chat down in the comments. Let me know, do you like this unit? Would you get this unit? And I will speak to my next video. Bye y'all.